Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add music in DaVinci Resolve 21. So adding music is really easy. First open media pool, right click on your media pool, then go to import media and now browse the music you want to add in your project. So I have the music in this folder. I just need to select the music and then select open. Once the music is added in your media pool, just drag and drop it onto your timeline like this. If the music doesn't get automatically added on separate track, then we have to add track manually. For that, right click here, then go to add track and choose the type of track you want to add. So I want to add mono track. I'll just select that. Then the track will be added and you can drag and drop the music onto that track. Now I want to change the portion for my music. For that, just drag the corners like this and select the portion which you want to have as a background music. So I want to have this portion. Now place the music where you want it to be. After that, I want to add fade ins and fade outs. For that, we just have to go to the starting point of our audio and then you'll notice that your cursor will turn into these two arrows. Now just drag and then fade in will be added. Repeat the same process for fade out. Just go to the end of your clip. Your cursor will turn into these arrows and then you can add fade out as well. If you want to reduce the volume, then for that just take your cursor between the clip and then you'll notice that your cursor will turn into two vertical arrows. Now just drag and set the volume you want to have for your music. I want to have it like this and then the volume for my music will be changed and you can preview your clip. So this is the way. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.